There's something that Drake mentioned about goals and success. It's in one of his videos on Instagram where he talks about success being clinical, being deliberate, being intentional. He even uses the
Yes.
word militant. So he
Yes.
defines he's got his version of success. And I found it quite interesting because he used the words militant, clinical, and deliberate. How does Tasha Smith define success?
I got to tell you, I agree with him because I'm very militant. I'm very focused. I'm very driven. I am very passionate. My friends know I don't allow the grass to grow under my feet. Even Tommy could tell you. He's like, "You're so busy. I can't complain though. I'm happy for you that you're working." And he sees, like my friends see, I am very intentional. I put my all in my work. I am very passionate about my purpose. And I feel that you have to be extremely disciplined in order to see continuous success. You're going to get out of it what you put in. If you're not willing to wake up early and be disciplined and be consistent and work hard, I don't know why you expect to get it. You can't get it sitting on your butt. Period. You got to get up, you got to get out, and you got to pursue whatever your purpose is and the things that you're passionate about. It's not going to just come without hard work. It's another scripture that says faith without work is dead.